Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Hamilton Beach food processor is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable kitchen appliances for any home cook, simplifying everything from chopping vegetables and shredding cheese to making sauces and doughs with remarkable ease and efficiency, making it a true game changer for meal preparation and culinary creativity. Number 5. MuellerLiving Ultra Stick Immersion Hand Blender. Say goodbye to lumpy smoothies and hello to perfectly blended drinks. This versatile tool makes mixing, blending, whisking, and frothing quick and easy. It comes with detachable accessories to help you create everything from smoothies to whipped cream. This handheld blender comes with 3 easy-to-use attachments. Use the blending shaft for shakes, soups, and baby food. The frother is perfect for creating creamy foam on any milk, and the whisk is ideal for whipping cream or preparing batters. Experience enhanced power with its turbo mode. Designed with an ergonomic, non-slip grip, it ensures comfortable handling. The specialized blade housing also helps to minimize splashes, keeping your kitchen clean. Using this blender is straightforward. Simply attach your desired accessory, plug it in, and submerge the blade. You can then blend and easily adjust the speed to your preference. Refer to the included instructions for detailed guidance. Cleaning up after use is a breeze. The blending shaft, whisk, and frother attachments are all dishwasher safe, making maintenance simple and convenient. What we like? This immersion blender boasts a powerful 500W motor with 8-speed turbo settings for quick blending. If you frequently make smoothies, soups, or need to whip cream and froth milk, this is a fantastic choice. Its versatility with included attachments makes it ideal for those who want multiple functions in one compact device. What people say? The motor is powerful and handles tough jobs like shredding cheese and chopping nuts with ease. The large capacity bowl is great for processing bigger batches, saving time and effort. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the dishwasher-safe parts. Number 4. Hamilton Beach 70730 Food Processor. Meet your new kitchen essential. This powerful appliance handles slicing, shredding, mincing, and pureeing with ease. Tired of scraping? The unique bowl scraper does the work for you, ensuring no food is left behind. With a large 10-cup capacity, it's perfect for preparing meals for the whole family or for entertaining guests. Its stylish black and stainless steel finish will complement any kitchen countertop. From chopping vegetables to creating smooth purees, this tool simplifies every step of your cooking process. The included scraper ensures that every last bit of food is incorporated, making cleanup a breeze. No spatula needed. What we like? The standout feature here is the integrated bowl scraper, eliminating the need for a spatula. If you often find yourself stopping to scrape down the sides of your food processor, this model will save you significant time and effort. It's perfect for those who do a lot of processing and want a more seamless experience. What people say? This Hamilton Beach food processor is a great addition to my kitchen. It has a powerful motor that can handle tough ingredients like nuts and frozen fruit with ease. The large capacity bowl is perfect for making big batches of dips, sauces, and doughs. I also appreciate the included attachments, such as the slicing and shredding discs, which make meal preps so much faster. I love how easy this food processor is to clean. The bowl, lid, and blades are all dishwasher safe, so cleanup is a breeze. The compact design also means it doesn't take up too much counter space, which is a big plus for my small kitchen. The versatility of this food processor is impressive. I've used it for chopping vegetables, making pesto, pureeing soups, and even kneading dough. It performs all these tasks beautifully and consistently. The safety lock system ensures that the appliance only operates when the lid is securely in place, giving me peace of mind. Number 3. Hamilton Beach 3-Cup Electric Vegetable Chopper, 72850. Introducing the Hamilton Beach 3-Cup Electric Vegetable Chopper. Its patented stack and press design makes operation incredibly simple. Just press the lid to chop and release to stop. This compact chopper is ideal for daily meal preparation, handling up to 3 cups of ingredients. It's the perfect size for everyday use and convenient storage. Equipped with durable stainless steel blades, it effortlessly dices, minces, and purees a variety of ingredients. The lid's oil dispenser also makes emulsifying dressings and sauces a breeze. Don't let its size fool you. With a robust 350-watt motor, it powers through tough ingredients like onions and nuts, perfect for everything from hummus to baby food. Cleanup is a snap. The bowl, lid, and removable blades are all dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort after cooking. What we like. This mini food processor is designed for everyday use with its perfect 3-cup capacity. If you're often just chopping onions, herbs, or making small batches of dips and dressings, this is your go-to. Its simple stack and press operation and compact size make it ideal for small kitchens or single users. What people say. The motor is powerful enough to handle tough jobs like shredding cheese and chopping vegetables. The large capacity bowl is great for making big batches of dips and sauces. The unit is easy to assemble and disassemble, making cleanup a breeze. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Stack and Snap 12-cup food processor. Tired of struggling with complicated kitchen gadgets? Our innovative stack and snap technology makes assembly a breeze, so you can focus on creating delicious meals without the frustration. Handle big cooking tasks with ease thanks to the generous 12-cup sealed bowl. It's designed to process large volumes of food without any messy leaks or spills. Save valuable time in the kitchen. The convenient big mouth chute allows you to fit whole ingredients, reducing the need for extensive pre-cutting. From slicing and shredding to chopping and pureeing, this appliance does it all. With 2 versatile attachments, you can tackle any recipe with confidence. Its robust 450-watt motor quickly powers through tough ingredients. Plus, suction cup feet ensure stability on your countertop, preventing any unwanted sliding. Create fresh, healthy meals for your furry friends. You can easily control ingredients and portions, ensuring your pet gets the nutrition they need. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your food. All removable parts are dishwasher safe, and all food zones are BPA-free for your safety. What we like. With a generous 12-cup capacity and a big mouth chute, this food processor is built for larger tasks. If you often process big batches of ingredients, or want to minimize pre-cutting, this is the one for you. The unique pet food function also makes it a great option for pet owners looking to make homemade meals. What people say. This food processor is a great addition to my kitchen. It's powerful and efficient, making chopping and pureeing a breeze. I love how easy this food processor is to clean. The parts are dishwasher safe, which saves me a lot of time and effort. The compact design of this food processor is perfect for my small kitchen. It doesn't take up too much counter space and is easy to store. Number 1. Ourokhome Rotary Cheese Grater. Introducing the Ourokhome Rotary Cheese Grater, designed to make your kitchen tasks a breeze. Enjoy freshly shredded ingredients in just a few turns of the crank. This kitchen essential comes with 3 interchangeable blades for slicing, coarse shredding, and fine shredding. It's perfect for a variety of foods like cheese, vegetables, and nuts. Prepare your food safely with its built-in blade, eliminating the need to touch sharp edges. It operates manually, so no electricity is required, making meal prep more enjoyable. This 3-in-1 slicer and grater helps you meet all your culinary needs efficiently. Reduce clutter by replacing multiple gadgets with this single, versatile tool. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This grater is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or housewarmings. It's a practical present for anyone who loves to cook. What we like. This rotary cheese grater offers a simple, manual way to prepare food, requiring no electricity. If you love freshly grated cheese, shredded vegetables, or ground nuts but want a compact, easy-to-use tool, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who appreciate a hands-on approach in the kitchen and want to save counter space. What people say. The motor is powerful and handles tough ingredients like nuts and hard vegetables with ease. The large capacity bowl is great for processing family-sized meals. Multiple attachments are included, making it versatile for chopping, slicing, shredding, and pureeing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.